guys, welcome back. I'm Caroline with Team SENSE-ATIONAL, and we have another DIY hack for you today. Today we'll be making DIY fidget sticks. Alright guys, so you just need a few household ingredients to make the fidget stick. So you'll want to start with some popsicle sticks, and then you can use any kind of pasta or beads. You'll need yarn or string, scissors, and then you can either use tape or glue. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a popsicle stick, and you're going to take your yarn and you want to measure it a little bit longer than the popsicle stick on each side, and then you want to mark it and cut it. So you have enough string on each side to tape it or glue it around the back like this. Okay, so now you'll want to tape down one edge of the yarn to the popsicle stick. Okay, so next you want to take your pasta or beads and you want to string it along, string it into the yarn. You can do any sorts of colors, shapes, sizes of pasta and yarn. You don't want to put too much on there because it won't have space to move. Okay, so once your pasta or beads is on the string, you're going to want to tape the other side down, the side that wasn't taped before, to secure. You don't want to tape it too tight or else the beads and pasta will not be able to move. And there you have your DIY fidget stick. Okay, so there are many calming effects that come along with the DIY fidget sticks. It also increases concentration and attention span, while also encouraging creativity and expression in students. It helps to limit distractions and retain focus and occupy their brains from other thoughts that they would be wandering to. It also helps to create structure and eliminate unhealthy habits in students as they tackle online learning. Thanks for tuning in this week, guys. Come back next week for another DIY hack.